Hey friends, who's hungry? If you've never had the pleasure of biting into a perfectly fried green tomato, you're missing out on one of the South's most iconic comfort foods. Sprinkle both sides of 4 sliced green tomatoes with salt and pepper. In a shallow dish, mix together 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. In a second dish, beat together 4 large eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. Finally, in a third dish, mix together 1½ cups of cornmeal, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Coat the tomatoes with the flour, then the egg wash, and then the cornmeal. Heat 2 inches of oil in a large skillet until it reaches 375 degrees on a thermometer. Fry the tomatoes in batches until crisp and golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Drain the fried tomatoes on paper towels, then sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.